Yeah. Will you do this question, guys? Good morning, Abigail. Turn on the camera, please.
Good morning, sir. Sorry I'm late. I got late in another class. That's why.
Not yet. So here we have one question. So try and do it, Abigail. Then we'll do the next question. Like we'll increase the level of difficulty. So Hannah, I think you get this answer. Joshua, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Joshua? Yeah. So um did you understand this? No.
Yeah, this was in the last class. No?
So how will you do this? Like 1 plus tan square theta can be written as what is the
Sir,
identity for that?
the formulas, the identities.
Mm.
Let me check. I still haven't memorized it.
Okay, you have to remember memorize it, beta. Okay, so 1 plus tan square theta can be written as sec square theta. Sec square theta. So now cos square theta, and it can be replaced with sec square theta is equals to 1. Now what I will do, like sec square theta can be written as 1 upon cos square theta. So I will put the value into this. So cos square theta into 1 upon cos square theta is equals to 1. This and this will cut. So 1 is equals to 1. Guys, did you understand? Yes or no?
Because sec square theta is equals to 1 upon cos square theta. So both of
Yes.
them will be cut.
Yes. Very good. So turn on the camera, everyone. Why are you turning your है ना अपने कैमरा को चालू ही रखना गुड जवान जोशुआ द ग्रेट प्लीज turn on the camera very good oh my god Joshua looking smart huh handsome okay so we'll do one more question and I believe that you will do this question so now these types of question will come okay there's nothing else Hannah Abigail it's very easy no
Yes, sir. I like this kind of questions.
yes good
Fun kind
Hannah, is it very easy, no? Very easy, no? Easy, no, Hannah? Yeah. Okay. So now do this question. Johan, are you there? How are you, Johan? How are you?
I'm fine.
Oh, that's good. So Abigail, now this question is on you. You have to tell me how to do this. Very easy, no? You like this question? Tell. Sir, what to do, sir? Yes, Joshua.
Uh, we don't have the identity for sine raised to the 4 theta, right?
Yeah, we don't have identity. So we have to do something for that. That sir will tell me. Sir, please tell me, sir.
What's up?
No, no. I mean, Abigail will tell me how to solve this. Abigail said it's very easy, sir. Yes, Sam. You know how to do this, Sam? Are you trying or not? Like with your pen, paper?
I'm
Like I want
trying.
you to try.
Trying.
Okay, okay, that's good. That's good. Jehovan, you got this? No? Okay. Do you want me to do it? Uh, okay. Listen, guys. If x to the power 4 is given, so can I write it like this? X to the power 2 multiplied by x to the power 2? Because ultimately the answer will be this one only, no? So in the same way, in the same way, in the same way, can I write it like this? Sine square theta into sine square theta plus sine square theta dot cos square theta is equals to sine square theta. Did you understand? What I did, the power 4 was there, I split it into 2 and 2 because 2 plus 2 is 4. So ultimately the answer will be this only, but I split it. Understood? Okay. Now what is the common between these two terms? Sine square theta. So I will take out sine square theta as a common. Remaining behind sine square theta plus cos square theta. How? From this sine square theta is out. So what is remain behind? This much. So I just wrote here. From these two, this sine square theta is out. What is remain behind? This much. So I wrote this. Understood? Yes or no? So now we know this identity that sine square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. So I will put the value of 1 here like this. So sine square theta is equals to sine square theta. HP guess. So, henceforth. Jahuan, did you understand? Sir, sir, did you understand? Sam, sir? Sam, sir. Samsung.
Voice is breaking, sir.
Okay, so you didn't understand?
Can you explain the last one?
You didn't understand the last part. Okay, see, sine square theta plus cos square theta, we know the identity, no? I told you, you should remember these three identities. Okay, after this question, I will give you 2 minutes to learn all the three main identities. Okay, it means that this identity is there. Sine square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. I just replace the value of sine square theta plus cos square theta as 1. So I put it. Understood? No.
Understood.
Now I'm giving you 2 minutes. Everyone, quickly read it. Read the properties quickly. Quickly read all the identities, all the formulas. I'm giving you 2 minutes. Quickly.
Could you write down the board, sir? It's maintain as lagging, not loading even over a search.
So what do you want?
So you just write it on the board because when the sites are not loading, so it's for the past couple of weeks it's been very laggy.
So you want me to take
Write it
screenshot?
on the board. See, I'll take a screen.
What you want me to write? All the formulas and
No,
all.
no, yeah, the identity.
Okay.
Actually, one second. I think I have a screenshot. I'll switch it.
Yeah. Quickly search it and learn it. Okay. Everyone understand? Learn the formula?
Sir,
Hmm?
could you write some of the identities?
From?
The cos square theta, those identities. The
So
ones in.
this is coming from this main identity only, no? Like cos square theta can be written as like this sine square theta will go to the left right hand side to become 1 minus sine square theta. So cos square theta is equals to 1 minus sine square theta. So basically it is coming from the this only, this main identity only. It's a derivation of the main identity. So that's why I'm not writing it.
Okay.
Okay. Shall I raise this? Turn on the camera, guys. Okay. Okay. This is the question. Right. Now, if you ask me, I will choose this side. So choose this side. Try to change to sine theta and cos theta, and then solve it so that it can come to the LHS side. So while solving this, you just write solving RHS.
So do we have to use the A minus B whole square property in this?
You can do it. Like for the beginners, I am telling that you can choose anybody. So it's your choice.
Okay.
Turn on your camera, Hannah. Joshua, you did not able to get it. What to do?
No, sir, I didn't get this question.
Okay, no problem. Good.
Sir,
Uh,
Yes.
I'm getting the RHS as 1
How can you get one?
because of that formula 1 plus tan square theta equals sec square theta minus tan square theta equals 1.
Just give me a second. Yeah, sorry for that. So what was I'm trying to say? What was I'm trying? Yeah. So again, now listen, guys. Everyone, fold your hands. Hannah, fold your hands. Hannah, you got it, Hannah? Very bad,
I
Hannah.
think I'm close, but it's not exactly the same.
Yes. Okay. So I'll solving RHS. Okay. Now listen, guys. See, we know that sec A can be written as 1 upon cos A and tan A can be written as I told you, we have to change, like generally we can change in sine and cos. So I just change. Okay. Now my second step is because they have the same denominator, so I will write 1 upon sine A, 1 upon sine A square upon cos A square. Did you understand? Abigail, no. Okay. So now it means that it will become 1 minus sine A square upon cos square A. Now we have that main identity that cos square A plus sine square A is equals to 1. And cos square A can be written as 1 minus sine square A. Did you understand? Yes or no? Guys, I just sent plus sine square A to the right hand side, so it becomes minus sine square A. Sam, Joshua, till that you understood?
So then we use the identity 1 minus sine square.
Yes, we will replace the value of cos square A as 1 minus sine square A. Hello, my test. It will become 1 minus sine A whole square, which is already there in the numerator, and to become 1 minus sine square A. Okay. Now, Abigail, what is the answer of 1 square? So
1.
it means that can I write it like this? Which means that this was 1 already there, so 1 square is 1, so I just wrote it like this. Any problem in that? No? Now, what I will do, 1 minus sine A square. Now it is in the form of A square minus B square. So Abigail, what is the identity for that?
A plus B into A minus B.
It means that 1 minus sine A into 1 plus sine A. Yes or no? Now this 1 minus sine A and this will cut because its square is there. It means that if square is there, so can I write it like this? 1 minus sine A, like 2 times because square is there. So this and this will cut, which will remain behind 1 minus sine A upon 1 plus Sine A. This is what we should get. No? Oh, we got ulta. Why we got ulta? That I wrote so correctly.
So how I did it was there's one formula, no? 1 plus tan square theta equals sec square theta.
How will you get 1 plus 10 square theta is sec square theta?
Because then, like, if we take tan square theta to the other side, sec square theta minus tan square theta will be equal to 1.
Okay, let me check. You use this identity. 1 plus 10 square A is equals to sec square A. Then what you did?
Then take the tan to the other side.
Then then
Yeah,
it
so
becomes
that,
sec square A minus 10 square A. It means that like this. Then
yeah, so that means like sec A minus tan A will be equal to 1, right?
how? This is sec A minus 10 A whole square. And this is sec square A minus 10 square A. So both are very different. Like if you will open this, the answer will be this. Like sec A minus 10A whole square, the identity will be like this. Sec square A plus 10 square A minus 2 sec A dot 10A. This will be the identity if you will open this. A minus B whole square, na? It's
Yeah,
not A square minus B square. It's A minus B whole square and it's A square minus B square. So both are very different.
okay, I got it now.
Joshua, did you understand this question, this view part?
Yes, I understand now.
Sam, did you understand, Sam? Sam, did you understand?
Yes,
Jahovan, quickly write it down. Quickly. Okay, shall I raise this? 3 minutes.
So
Yes.
in the top blue line on the right side,
Yeah.
like the whole 1 by cos A minus sin A by cos A, the whole thing had square. So like when we split it and write, won't it be like cos A raised to the power 4?
Why?
Because cos A,
Why?
like cos A into cos A is, uh,
You're telling this part, no? It
yeah,
was cos A square. It was cos A square, no? Like if I will, if I will do A square, so can I write it like this? It was cos A whole square. Now cos A whole square is cos square A.
yeah. Okay, I got
So there is
it between
no
I.
need of getting, yeah, 4 power will not come.
Okay.
Hannah, where you did mistake, beta?
I didn't make any mistake. I just didn't take the right next step. Till 1 minus sin is the whole square upon 1 minus sin square. I didn't even after that I stopped because I didn't know what to do.
It's very bad. I didn't expect. Okay, we'll do one more question. I think Johan is loving this question. Yes, Johan? Johan's favorite chapter. And Abigail is also, she says, very easy, sir. Very easy. Sir, it's very easy. I love these types of questions. Okay, Abigail, is it easy now?
Kind of.
Kind of, now kind of came. Now kind of came. Okay. Shall I raise this? Okay. Okay, do this question. Joshua got it?
Doing so.
Yes, Jahana.
There is no square cell in the second part of the question. Second part.
Yeah, there no need of square.
Okay.
Yeah, it happens with me also. The question is wrong. The answer is wrong. Abigail, you got it?
No, and Hannah, suddenly I realized I couldn't use some formulas because it didn't have square.
Do you want me to do it?
Give me 2 more minutes, sir.
Okay, we'll give you 2 more minutes, 2 days, 2 weeks, 2 years. How much time you can take? Jehoan, you got it? Joshua, the leader. You got it, beta?
No,
I'm
sir.
doing it, sir. Checking. I got it, sir.
Got it? Uh-huh. Congratulations. Now we need Dairy Milk Silk. Everyone, give your address to Hannah. Abigail and Jehovan doing same mistake. Just sitting and thinking what to do. They are not doing. If you sit and think, you will never get it. You have to do something. What you can do in this question. Okay. Shall I do it, Abigail?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now listen, Abigail. See, sec A can be written as 1 upon cos A. Okay. So here I will write 1 upon cos A. I am solving LHS. Okay. 1 minus sin A into sec A plus 10. Okay. Now this will multiply with both the terms because it's multiplication formula. So it will become 1 upon cos A minus sin A upon cos A into sec A plus 10. Yes. Now 1 upon cos A can be written as sec A. So it will become sec A minus 10A. It will become sec A plus 10A. Like that. What I wrote, 1 upon cos A can be written as sec A and sin A upon cos A can be written as tan A. So I just wrote it like that. Now it is in the form of A minus B into A plus B. What is the identity for that? A square minus B square. Now can I write it like this? Sec A square, sec square A, sorry. Sec square A minus tan square A. Okay, now we know this identity that 1 plus tan square A can be written as sec square A. Now this will go, it will become 1 is equals to sec square A minus tan square A. So I will just write the answer as 1. So 1 is equals to 1 and proof. Understood, Abigail?
It's frustrating.
Jehoan, you got it? No, you didn't get it. Sorry, said something. Did you understand this question now, which when I explained it to you? Okay.
That's my problem with trigonometry. Everything seems easy after you explain it.
See, this is very easy. You'll get 5 marks extra. Joshua, you got it, beta?
Yes, sir. I didn't get the answer, but I got it.
So you understand this, na? How to do it?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Sam, what happened, Sam?
My internet, sir, it lagged. After restarting entire internet.
Uh,
Don't understand why, sir. It's past 1 week. The It's not been working properly.
uh, Okay, I'll give you one more question. Okay, do this.
Sir, I'm not able to see your
Sorry.
board, sir. It's plain black, sir. I'm not able to see your board, sir. It's just plain black.
Okay, my board is lagging. Is it for everyone? Abigail, you're facing same problem.
I
Okay.
think it's for me only, sir.
Sam, which Wi-Fi you have? Sam, which Wi-Fi you have?
Can you say it again? Voice was.
I'm saying which Wi-Fi you have, like which mobile data you have, or which Wi-Fi you are using.
I have NIOS, sir. This is the first time it's lagging so much, sir. It doesn't lag at all usually. They are very fast.
Don't
For some reason it's
don't say
lagging
like
right
that,
now.
yeah. I'm also going for Geo Air Fiber, like today or tomorrow they will install it. Don't tell it like that. You are
Maybe it's
making me
because of
wonder.
the cable or something, sir. Probably because usually it doesn't happen. Maybe it's because the cable somewhere got cut or something. Doesn't lag this much.
Uh, uh, no problem.
Yes,
Then Hannah got it. Uh-huh. Very good. Abigail, you got it, or do you want me to do it?
1 more minute, sir.
Okay. I will start. You just don't see it, and then I will explain it. Okay, so I got the answer. Abigail, everyone see this? Okay. So what I did, 1 upon sine A is minus cos A upon sine A square, whole square. It is written like that because I changed this cosec as 1 upon sine A and cot A is cos A upon sine A. Then I make the common denominator like this, and because of square is there, so sine square A it will become. Okay. Now we know that sine square A plus cos square A is equals to 1. So cos square A will go to the right hand side, so it will become sine square A is equals to 1 minus cos square A. Understood? Then I just put the value of sine square A as 1 minus cos square A. 1 minus cos square A can be written as 1 minus cos A, 1 plus cos A, and the above 1 minus cos A, 1 minus cos A, because square is there, so I just write it square. Now this and this will cut, remaining behind 1 minus cos A upon 1 plus cos A. It's the same question like sec A1. Understood? No. Did you understand, guys?
Understand.
Okay. So now quickly write it down. You guys have 4 minutes break, then we will have science class. Till then, bye Abigail, bye Anna.
Thank you.
Bye, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. Yeah, guys, come back, come back, come back, come back. Everyone, Jasharon, Johan, everyone, come back, come back, come back. We start a science class. Okay. Okay, guys. So we will start. So Joshua, turn my camera, please. So we were doing reactivity series. Now today we will do the metallurgy part. Okay, guys. So basically, we should know that metallurgy is very important. Okay, what is very important? Metallurgy is very important. Now, why metallurgy is very important? Why metallurgy is very important? Okay, basically, basically, what is the metallurgy? Metallurgy is the process of extraction of metal from the ore. Okay, extraction of metal from the ore. Where is Jashron? Oh, okay, she's there. Good morning, Jashron. Good morning. Okay. So basically, metallurgy. What do you mean by metallurgy? Metallurgy is the process in which a metal is extracted from the ore, from its ore. Okay. So today we will learn about the like how the metals are extracted. Okay, how the metals are extracted. So you can understand this. There are some points are there that you should underline this. This is very important. Um, the consequence of the earth crust which contains these metals or compound are called as minerals. Okay, now listen guys, this is very important. What do you mean by minerals? So minerals is basically in our earth crust, there are many minerals are there. Okay, earth crust, earth crust consists of many minerals. Like plant takes water and minerals, and when we'll put manure in it, it basically have lot of minerals. That minerals is useful for the absorption for the plant, like minerals like magnesium, which is denoted by Mg, calcium, which is denoted by Ca, iron. So these all our minerals are essential, and these are minerals. Why? Because they are found on the earth crust. So anything which is found on the earth crust, which is useful for the metal or this is called as minerals. Now, for example, in Rajasthan, the iron mineral is less, but in Jharkhand, the iron mineral is very, very high. Why? Because a big rocks are found in the Jharkhand or Odisha, okay, which have a lot of iron in it. So that a big rock from which a metal can be extracted, that is called as ore. This question they can ask you about this. Okay, so please try to understand this. Some places minerals contain a high percentage of particular metals, and these metals can profitably extracted. Such minerals are called as ores. For example, in Jharkhand, Odisha, there is a coal mineral. There is a iron minerals which is at higher percentage. So there is big ore of iron and big ore of coal is there. Understood? No, you didn't understand anything. No, 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 no. Did you understand, guys? So they don't confuse in mineral and ore. They can ask you in the differentiate the minerals and ore. Minerals are the substances or the metal which are found in the earth crust, and that thing. Ore, ore is basically uh, uh, the place where the mineral it has at high concentration. If it is at high concentration, then it is called as mineral. Ore, sorry. Did you understand, guys? Yes or no? Now, what if the metal is now getting a pure metal? Okay. Listen, guys. So, metallurgy is a process, okay, in which the metal is profitably extracted from it. If a metal, if the metal profitably extracted from it, chai, chai, chai. If metal is profitably extracted from it, then it is called as metallurgy from ore. From ore. Okay. So, did you understand, guys? Minerals, ore, or metallurgy?
Oh, sir,
Yes.
what's the spelling of metallurgy?
Metallurgy. This is the spelling of metallurgy. 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 Okay, Sam, did you understand?
Could you explain metallurgy again, sir?
Metallurgy is from ores. Like ore is a higher percentage, na? So if from ore the metal is extracted, then it is called as metallurgy. Simple as that.
Say it again, sir.
If metal is extracted from an ore, is called as metallurgy. Okay, like ore is the big rocks of metal, na? So if at high concentration, if metal is extracted, then it is called as metallurgy. Okay. Now we will understand. Like this is an ore. This is ore. Okay. Now basically, in we learned about there are three types of ore are fine. Three types of metals are there. Okay. Like we understand uh, po- uh, potassium, sodium, calcium. Okay. So they are the high reactivity metal. Okay, they react very quickly with the oxygen or any compound. Okay, in the same way, if I will talk about the middle reactivity series, so it is aluminum, copper. No, copper is low. Iron, zinc. कैश कैश देखना पड़ेगा. So this are the low reactivity metal. Okay. This is low reactivity. Okay. No, this is middle reactivity, and like copper, gold, silver, this is low reactivity. So we learn about reactivity metal series. in which the metals are arranged in the form of reactivity series. We learn now. If I will tell you the page, yeah, see, these are the things, na? Reactivity series. Okay, in which this comes under the high reactivity. This comes under the middle reactivity, and this come under the low reactivity series. So every reactivity series, like three types there: high reactivity, middle reactivity, and low reactivity. So in these three, we have different steps to extract. Okay, I'm repeating again. On the basis of the activities of the metal, there are three steps are there to find the, like how we can extract it. So those who are coming in middle reactivity will have different steps. Those who are coming in low reactivity will have different steps. Those who are coming in high reactivities will have different steps. Did you understand, guys? No. Okay, low reactivity, different step. High reactivity, different step. Middle reactivity, different step. Everyone will have different steps. Okay, now now we will understand it like this. Okay, now those who have low reactivity. Now, if the metal reactivity has low reactivity, remember this thing. There are only one type of ore is found, which is called as sulfide ore. Sulfide ore. Basically, those metal which is at low reactivity. Who are the low reactivity? Copper, gold, silver. They are the low reactivity metal. Okay, so they always found in sulfide ore. They always found in sulfide ore. Now remember like this: sulfide ore. Sulfide ore is the ore which has sulfur in it. For example, copper sulfide or mercury sulfide. Mercury will also come under the low reactivity. Okay, so these are the sulfide ore, and these sulfide ore basically are found in low reactivity metal series. Understood, guys? Jehovan, Jeshron, Joshua, Sam, are you with me or not? Those who have low reactivity series like copper, mercury, gold, silver, they are found in it. Okay, understood. Now, how to extract a ore which have sulfide in it, sulfur in it? So, first process is called as roasting. First process is called as roasting. Now, what is roasting? Roasting is heating of ore. No, first is heating of sulfide ore in the presence of oxygen. So, for example, if I will take this copper sulfide, so copper sulfide is there. I will heat in the presence of oxygen. Then what will happen? The new oxide will form and sulfur dioxide will release the gas. So when we will heat the sulfide ore in the presence of oxygen, then copper oxide will form and sulfur dioxide will release. Did you understand, guys? Yes or no? So this process is called as roasting. Heating of sulfide ore in
Can
the
you just
presence
repeat
of,
what you said last? I wasn't able to hear, sir.
yeah, heating of sulfide ore in the presence of oxygen is called roasting. Okay? Yes or no? Okay. Now, when this roasting occurs, So we got a compound as copper oxide, and we need copper from it. This is copper oxide. This is not pure metal. It's a oxide is there. I need just copper from it. Then what will I do? The is next step is reduction of oxide of metal. Then you know what will I do? Like I got copper oxide, then I will react with key. C is called as carbon or coke. So when I will do this, then this carbon will take oxygen from it and remaining behind copper. So like I will explain it from starting. Copper is a low reactivity series. It always find in sulfide ore. Now to tackle the sulfide ore, we need to do first step as roasting. Roasting is heating of sulfide ore in the presence of oxygen. When I did this, I got copper oxide. Now this oxygen is there. I need a pure form of copper. Then what will I do? I will react them with the carbon or the coke or reducing any reducing agent. Reducing agent means those who reduce others and oxidize themselves. Okay. Okay. So they reduces the copper, they take oxygen from that, and they remain as a copper metal. Did you understand, guys? Yes or no? Yes or no, guys? Okay. Now the last step is refining. The last step is refining, refining of the metal to make it pure. Like the refining process will be there. Okay, to make it pure, it's called as refining. Understood, guys? Did you understand the step of low reactivity metal? How to take out, how to extract copper from it? Johan, Jasron, Joshua, Sam. Did you understand? No. Yes.
You explain once again, sir. I didn't understand.
You from starting. You want me to explain?
Yes.
Okay. No problem. I will explain it again. Now listen. Okay. See, this is copper sulfide is here. Now copper sulfide is basically the copper comes under the low reactivity series. It always find in the sulfide form. Now this sulfide form basically when you will heat in the presence of oxygen, it is called as roasting. Why we are doing roasting? So that we can get the oxide of that metal. Copper sulfide is there. We are heating in the presence of oxygen so that we can get copper oxide and the sulfur dioxide gas is released. Now, this copper oxide is there. It is not pure form of copper. I need copper from it. So I will react with any reducing agent. Here I am using carbon or coke. You can use any reducing agent. So what this will do, this carbon reacts with oxygen, makes carbon dioxide and remaining behind copper. Understood? Now, we got copper. It's not pure. We will do more refining in it, and for that we need metal. We like there's another process also there. I guess it's not there in your book. Yeah, it's not there, but there's another process also there in which we do the refining process to get the most pure form of copper. Understood, guys? Now I'm giving you 4 minutes to write it down, and this is very important for the examination point. This is low reactivity. Tomorrow we will learn middle reactivity and the high reactivity. Understood, guys? Yes or no? Quickly
Yes,
write
sir.
down. Quickly write down. I'm giving you 4 minutes. Okay, done. 2 minutes.
ये मुझे भेज देना, मैं जॉब एंड करियर ग्रुप में भेज दूंगा। फिर बताओ अच्छे से। मुंबई में वैसे मुंबई में लोग
Okay, done. Okay. So we'll stop our class. I hope you enjoyed the class. Till then, bye. Have a nice day. Signing off. Sayonara.